The Peugeot 3082, produced from 2013 to 2021, features a bonnet that opens through a two-step process using an interior release lever and an external catch. This video demonstrates the correct procedure for safe and easy access to the engine bay. Although the 3082 is no longer in production, the bonnet release mechanism remains consistent across used models. Always ensure the car is parked safely before proceeding. Locate the bonnet release lever under the dashboard on the driver's side. It's usually a red or yellow handle marked with a bonnet icon. Pull the lever firmly towards you until you hear a click. This releases the primary bonnet latch, allowing the bonnet to pop up slightly, about 5 to 10 centimeters. Exit the vehicle and go to the front grille. Locate the secondary bonnet catch, typically a lever or slot positioned underneath the Peugeot logo. Insert your fingers into the slot and slide or pull the catch to the side. Simultaneously, lift the bonnet upwards. Once the bonnet is lifted, locate the support strut, a metal rod attached to the bonnet. Clip the end of the strut into the designated hole on the underside of the bonnet to hold it open securely. Ensure the strut is properly engaged to prevent the bonnet from falling. To close the bonnet, gently lower it until it's about 30 centimeters from the latch. Then, release it, allowing it to drop and engage the latch. Press down firmly on the front edge of the bonnet to ensure it's securely closed. Always double-check that the bonnet is properly latched before driving. Never attempt to open the bonnet while the vehicle is in motion. Always ensure the car is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. Check for any obstructions before lifting the bonnet. In cold climates, be aware of potential latch freezing and apply de-icer if necessary. Regularly inspect the latch mechanism for wear. If the release lever feels sticky, try lubricating the cable mechanism to restore smooth operation. If the bonnet doesn't pop up after pulling the lever, ensure the cable isn't broken or detached. Forcing the lever can cause damage. Remember the 2022 recall for 2019-2021 models related to latch failures in extreme cold. Consider professional inspection if problems persist. Check if your vehicle was affected by the recall. Proper maintenance ensures the bonnet mechanism on your Peugeot 3082 remains reliable over time. Regularly inspect the bonnet latch and cable for signs of corrosion or damage, particularly in areas with harsh weather conditions like road salt or moisture. Apply lubricant to the latch mechanism annually to prevent stiffness and maintain smooth operation. When closing the bonnet, avoid slamming it shut. Instead, lower it gently from about 30 centimeters and let it drop. Then press down firmly on the front edge to secure it. Following these maintenance steps will ensure reliable and safe bonnet operation for your Peugeot 3082.